Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Seacoast House of Cars, we have the 2017 Ford Focus RS. This was stateside for essentially 2 years. 3 model years. 2016, it was like last 3 months of the year these were delivered. Then 17 was a full year. 18 was until April, and then they stopped production. So very, very hard to find. And they were extremely popular while they were here. I actually had a 2018 ST, and obviously I wanted an RS. I think every Focus owner did. I just couldn't afford it at the time. And it's crazy to believe that this car is almost 10 years old now. Oh. These seats. Oh, they're great. Even being heavier set, they're extremely comfortable. Oh, nice cars. 6-speed manual was the only way to get an RS. A couple different drive modes. You have Sport, Track, Drift, Normal. Sport is what I'm going to be using on these. Send it. We'll do track use only. Okay. That does firm up the suspension. Does produce a pretty rough ride. That's why it's track use only, and also because it opens up the exhaust a little bit more. That's why they say track use only, just because it might break some local registration or legislation for noise complaints. I think that's mainly for California, to be honest with you. These cars. There's just something about them. They're just so fun. You know, the GTIs, the Golf Rs, they're very German in their way of being just good cars, with not a lot of flair. This has flair to it. You have the pops, the bangs, you know, these very aggressive seats, very aggressive styling. And the fact we only got this for 2 years. I always say 2 years just because that's the way it worked out. just such a cool car. And it was affordable. Yeah, it was 40 grand for a Focus, which back in 2017, people were like, that's a lot of money. If this car was launched now, this would be a $60,000 car. So you got to think about, you know, and how well these have held value. These still, with low mileage, go for like 10 grand under sticker for almost a 10-year-old car. People love these. And I think we all expected to have them here for a lot longer than we really did. Love this car. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.